Good morning and welcome to yet another edition of our Commodities Roundup from the House of Akshaya or www.akshayaship.com and Lotus Advisory Services. The markets for the past few days have been following a zigzag pattern. Initially, first 2 days of this week saw downturn in all commodities, and yesterday we saw sharp spikes coming up. 2 or 3 factors that are influencing the markets over the past day's trades are: yesterday, the INR weakened sharply by around 70 paise to a low of 62.25 from 61.60. Strong resistance in INR is now at 61 rupees to a dollar, and resistance and support at 63. A break above 63 could take it to 65. So today, for all trades, you need to watch out for INR moves and open to decide the exact trend in the MCX. Although in dollar terms they may be following a different pattern, but INR could dictate the terms of the rates in the MCX. Today and tomorrow are big data days from the US both evenings, the US GDP quarter on quarter and the non-farm payroll data. The GDP data is expected to be down to 1.9% as against the previous figure of 2.5%. So this downturn in the GDP figures could support bullions to some extent, and the US dollar could be impacted to that extent. Now I come to the individual commodities. Crude is now trading at $13.16 to $13.17. Past couple of days it's been trading in the range of $13.10 to $13.20. Next upside could be seen on a break and close above $13.20 with resistance at $13.25 to $13.30. Immediate support is at $13.08 and below that at $13.00. Major downside only a break below $1300. On the MCX, it's trading at around the 30,000 mark. Strong support is now seen at 29,800 to 750 and resistance at 30,200 to 30,400. Silver is now trading at around the $21.70 mark. Immediate support is at 21.5. Next downside on a break and close below 21.4. The immediate resistance is at 22 to $22.30. On the MCX, silver closed at around the 48,650 mark. Resistance is at 49,000 and support at 48,200 and 47,800. Of course, today's data as far as GDP and the non-farm payrolls data expected in the next day and 2 are expected to take a major shape of the bullion's course. Hence, traders are advised to trade less till such data come out. If the GDP data comes out lower as has been expected by the market, this will support the bullions, could take supports and rise sharply. Wait for trades or trade less during the course of the morning session. Crude has risen sharply from the low of the $93.50 mark to around the $94.80 to $94.90 mark. Resistance is at $96. Next downside only on a break below $93. On the MCX, hit a low of around the 5820 mark, unable to break below 5800, rose sharply to close at a high of around the 5970 mark. Resistances are seen at 6000 and 6030. Immediate support is at 5830, at 5930 and 5900. Copper has been trading sideways. Initially, for the first 2 days of this week, it saw a downside and tested lows of around the 447 mark. And yesterday, it broke above the 450 mark to hit a high of almost 454. Now, a close below 450, as has happened yesterday, shows mild weakness. Next positive impact will be on a break again above 450 with resistance at 452 and 454 with support at 448 and 446. Next major selling is expected on a break and close below 445 till 443 and 440. Of course, a break below 440 could see further major downside in the commodity. Nickel trades sideways. Initially, during the week, it hit highs over the past few trading sessions of up to 910 and 930. Now broke below the 900 and the 890 mark, and now immediate support is seen at 880 with resistance at 898 to 902 mark. Lead is trading in the range of 134 to 136 and zinc in the range of 117 to 120. All these commodities are trading in a no trade zone. Natural gas initially the day before tested lows of the support of 210 mark but has risen sharply to above the 220 mark. This was also aided by the weakness in the INR. Now a close above 220 as has happened last night could test 222 to 224 resistance with immediate support of 280. The major strong long-term support is now at 215 and next major downside is on a break below 215. Trades are expected to be sideways during the course of the day today till the data come out. Traders are advised to trade in less quantities and trade in minis if possible, and keep booking at every level that we advise on our website, blogs and Facebook. Traders are advised for intraday trades to visit our website at www.akshayaship.com. Have a safe and profitable trading day. Thank you.